Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can write over a picture in Google Slides. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Slides and this is my tutorial presentation. So firstly, I'm going to click right here on this little arrow in order to select a slide to add. So for example, I'm gonna add a blank one. So right now, I'm gonna come to this little icon that says insert image. After that, go ahead and click on it. Right here, you're gonna find upload from computer, search the web, upload it from Drive, photos, by URL, and lastly by camera. I'm gonna click on upload from computer. Once you do that, you can select any picture that you want to add. So, for example, I'm going to add this picture. Right now, if you want to add a text over this picture, go ahead and right here, right next to the cursor icon, click on this little icon that says text box. Once you click on it, your cursor will be like a plus. Then click on any place, hold it, and then drag your mouse and select the size that you want depending on the size of the text. Once you do that, you can change the position of the text. For example, we're gonna make it in the center like this, and then just double click right here, and you can add any text that you want. You can also change the color and so on. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.